All right, now let's review organizing and draft. So these are the important instructions that tell you exactly what should be in each of your body paragraphs. Okay, notice that there are 3 body paragraphs. There's also an introduction paragraph and a conclusion paragraph. So this paper should be 5 paragraphs long. You will begin your paper with an introduction paragraph. You're going to pick one of the 7 ways that we learned how to write a good introduction paragraph. Remember, if you need to review those different ways, you can find all of that information in the writing resources module. So you get to choose the best introduction you would like to use for this paper. And I want to encourage you to make sure that your introduction paragraph and your conclusion paragraph are fully developed. These paragraphs are also important, so they should not only be 3 sentences long. That is not a complete paragraph. These paragraphs should be 5 or more sentences long. And remember that at the end of your introduction paragraph, you should include a thesis statement. Okay, don't forget that. You will get points for writing a good thesis statement. All right, now let's move on to your body paragraphs. In the first body paragraph, choose 2 myths from the 10 myths about immigration article and use facts provided in the articles, 10 myths about immigration or from push and pull factors of migration, 21 big pros and cons of immigration, to prove that these myths are wrong. Remember that you want to write about 2 myths in this paragraph. You do not want to write about yourself or your friends in this paragraph. You want to use evidence from these articles to prove that these myths are wrong. So use facts, use quotes, use examples from these articles. Okay, second body paragraph. You're going to be writing about our book, The Distance Between Us. So you want to explain how the Grande family proves one of these myths wrong. It is okay to choose one of the myths from your first body paragraph, or you are welcome to write about another myth. So you're going to use the 10 myths about immigration and the distance between us in paragraph 2. Okay. The third body paragraph. Describe the negative consequences, the dangers of myths for immigrants and the communities that they live in. Remember to support your ideas with class sources. So one of the requirements in each body paragraph is that you use quotes and examples from our class sources. So in this paragraph, make sure that you remember to do that. You can state your ideas, but make sure that you include some facts or examples from one of our class sources. All right. Then our last paragraph of the paper is a conclusion paragraph. Remember to choose one of the 7 ways that you have learned how to write a conclusion paragraph. Choose the best one that fits your paper and your writing. And your conclusion paragraph will come out really great and much better than it normally would if you really focus on choosing one of these 7 ways to write it. Okay, next I will go on to review some of the important requirements for this paper.